In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to find and use the perfect icons to create a professional, visually appealing email signature. Let's begin by logging into Bybrand and creating a new signature using one of the pre-created templates without icons. You can browse through the built-in icon gallery, but if you're looking for something more specific or unique, you can easily upload your own icons. I'll walk you through the entire process. First, let's add social media icons, specifically Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Start by heading over to Iconfinder or a similar icon resource site. Search for the social media icons you need, and be sure to filter the results by style for visual consistency. Once you've selected your icons, go ahead and download them to your computer. Now, return to the email signature you started creating in Bybrand. Upload your chosen icons directly into the signature editor. Adjust the size and positioning, so everything looks clean and professional. Remember to add clickable links to your social media profiles to boost engagement. After that, click Save to preserve your work. Next, we'll add essential icons that highlight key information like your phone number, scheduling link, and website. Again, search for cohesive icons to maintain a consistent and professional appearance. And that's it. Following these simple steps, you'll create an engaging and professional email signature with icons that beautifully match your brand's style.